right, go ahead and call your next witness.
Oh my God.
And when we
Like,
get to the
dude,
next break, I have
stop.
something to discuss outside of the presence of the jury that pleases the court.
Do you want to do that now or after your next witness?
We can.
All right, I'll address a legal issue, and we'll bring the jury back in when we're ready. All rise for the jury, please.
I just don't know what this guy, I just don't know what he's thinking. I have no clue what he's thinking. Good luck to you, brother. Good luck.
Everyone can have a seat, and then we'll just wait for the door to close. Go ahead, Mr. Brooks.
I'm curious. Some of these, judging by the reports,
Put a comment in the comment section below on how you
how's-
feel about this.
how are some of these answers allowed to pass when they're coming straight from reports made by the people on the stand? Very curious.
I don't understand your question. Are you?
This
I'm not sure
this
what you're
guy
asking
just
me.
doesn't understand what
I'm
he's
asking.
in
What I'm
for.
asking is,
Just take your L, dude. Take your L. Take your loss
reading
at
from
this
the
point,
report
man.
that the people on the stand are giving, the report that they gave to law enforcement.
If you're asking me whether there's a mechanism in the rules of evidence and how to establish that before the jury, the answer to that is yes. If you're asking me how you do that, I'm not going to answer that.
I didn't
It
ask
kind
how.
of hurts, you know. Like
I just,
if you really think about it, it really kind of hurts. It hurts your head a little bit.
to be blunt, which I've been since the beginning of this trial, obviously. I see the whole strategy here by the prosecution. I see right through it. Don't have any cross-examination.
Honestly, this guy should have
Maybe
gotten a lawyer.
because you've already
He should have taken a public defender
schooled-
and just been done with it.
schooled the people getting
Because
on
the
the
more
stand
he
on how to
talks,
answer
the
certain
worse it
things.
gets.
Well, that is completely speculative on your part without
It's
any
obvious.
basis in law or
It's
fact.
obvious.
Sir, you could ask questions that establish that. You can ask them if they've met with anyone. You haven't done that. So for you to say that right now is without basis. If you want to,
This is
clear.
the guy that ran,
If you are
ran
looking
over
to
all those
elicit
people on a Christmas
what
parade
they said in the
in
report,
friggin',
there is a way
Waukesha,
under the rules of evidence
Wisconsin.
based upon the way
Or
the witnesses have
Waukesha, or-
answered
or I'm not
to
sure.
clarify
It's
that.
a
But that
Waukesha.
requires you to call certain witnesses. I'm not going to give you any
I don't
more
think I have
legal
to- I don't
advice
think I
further
have to-
than
let me
that.
reframe
I
that.
don't think I have to
supposedly
So-
ran
Call
over
any
a
other
bunch of
witnesses
people.
that's
If you're
not-
asking me to
it's not
strike
looking
their
good.
testimony based
I
on your
didn't say
perceived,
anything
then that's
about that.
all right. Then I'm going to bring the jury back out, and you're going to call your next witness. So I'm
So
not
is you-
hearing a request from you at this time. You said you wanted to raise a legal issue. What's the legal issue?
The legal issue is how is the state allowed to coach the
You're
people getting on the
assuming they
stand?
spoke to them and coached them.
It's obvious. I'm not stupid.
Well, I disagree with that, sir. Again, you could ask
Yeah.
All of a
questions to
sudden,
lay a
like,
foundation
all of a sudden the
with
state
these
don't got.
witnesses.
All of a sudden, for the first time in trial, all
should
of a
just
sudden
stop.
now they don't got no cross. That's clearly a rush to try to get through the case. Hurry up. We just gonna let these people go.
Well, this is
and not-
argument.
Come on, man. That's
This is argument
Mind
on
you,
your part,
this
sir.
is
It
the-
is
this
pure
is the
I
commentary
just
at
want
this
that on the
point.
record. I
talking
see
to.
through it.
And your
Nice try,
see-through
but I see through it.
has absolutely no basis in
Yeah,
fact.
I know that's what's being done.
You
Come
could
on, man.
ask
I'm-
these questions. You could
Come on,
ask
man.
these
You got the right
witnesses
one.
certain questions, and
I'm
you're
far,
not.
far from an idiot.
They're your witnesses, sir. If you believe,
So I'm gonna start asking every witness up here that they seem just to mysteriously now not have any cross for. Have they been coached to answer the way they answer? Because
Well, you can't
I
ask
find-
that, but
I
you can
find
ask
it
them
very
if they've
funny.
met with anyone ahead of
I
their
find it
testimony
very
here
funny.
today,
I find
which
it
you've
very
done
funny.
with other witnesses.
I find it very funny that these are their reports, and now all of a sudden you can. Oh, I saw the
truly
person in the
feel
car. Oh,
bad
but
for
Brooks,
I
this
saw
is
the
an
preacher
attempt
or
by
something.
you
Oh,
to
I don't.
delay
everybody.
these
I don't recall
proceedings.
what
bad
they
for
had
all
on.
of them.
Mr. Brooks,
You can
there's
recall
no
saying
purpose
Every
somebody
for
one
you
of them I
saying
feel
this
bad
right
for.
don't
now.
know what they had on. I find that
All right,
very.
I'm having the jury
For
vote
having
out.
to
I'm
go
instructing
through all
you
of
to
this.
Come on, man.
avoid the commentary when the jury comes out, or you will
I didn't
forfeit
say-
your right to be
I didn't say
present.
nothing.
It's his right, but
Pick up potential as to a witness by the name of Abel Lescano. He has prior criminal history.
Thank you.
So as long as the jury's out, we should probably discuss that. I would like to provide the defendant and the court with a copy.
So that had to
of
be
the-
said. So it's the defendant.
That's not how it was said. I
That was how I
completely
said. You want to
disagree.
run the record back?
Mr. Brooks,
So I'm the only one. I got one. I
Mr.
got one
Brooks.
ear that work, and I heard that.
this
Come on,
is
man.
to
Come on,
benefit
man.
you so
No,
that
it's
you
not.
understand
Ain't none of
your
this to benefit me,
witness
so let's
has
hear
a
about
prior
that.
you don't want to
record.
hear what.
Your Honor,
you
when
don't
I
wanna
leave
hear
the
this.
table, I'm away from the courtroom and I have to elevate my voice. This is the
So she had to
alleged
elevate her
record of
voice
Abel
just for that.
Lescano.
Stop talking.
Come on, man. Like I don't know who y'all be thinking y'all fooling. I accept the value in return for value. This document.
One more interruption and you're going to be removed to the next courtroom.
That's what you want to do anyway.
It's not what I want to do. Do not interrupt Attorney Opera.
So can
Your
you tell?
Honor, I
can you
believe he
please-
has 7 prior criminal convictions via OWI second from 1997, and OWI third from 1997, and
This is
OWI
crazy.
fourth from 2003.
This is just getting
Criminal
crazy.
trespass to dwelling from 2006.
All right, I need to take a break. This man right now is having a stare down with
Why?
me. It's
Why
very
would you do this?
disrespectful. He pounded his fist. Frankly, it makes me scared. And we're taking a break.
Oh my God.